Welcome back. So we have a running backend. Now let's start actually working on our front end right here. Now the first thing I want to do is start the task. So I'll press start right here. I'll change task for timer and select this one, and the timer started. So let's get going. And the first thing I want to do this lesson is just do a bit of plumbing, set up all of this to kind of start using our new system right here. So that we need modules, we need components, and we need to kind of set up the entire Angular solution. Now there are plenty of guides on how to set up Angular, so go and check out those guides if you want to. Go and follow Tour of Heroes on Angular.io's own page to get started. I'm going to just go and use this project that I already built for my system right here. So the easy way to get started right here is, if you use WebStorm like I am, you can go and just clone the code. Like right here I click copy for the link for the code right here. This link is in the description, by the way, if you want it. And I can go in now to WebStorm, open it up, and then I can just say get from CSV. And here I'll just pick get as the version control, and I'll put in the URL I just copied, and I want to decide where to put it. And I'm just going to put it into Legos for Life Frontend right here. That's going to be the folder where I'm going to place my code for this Angular setup right here. I'll clone it, and hopefully it'll start up this application for me, and boom, there we go. We are already up and running with our first Angular application right here. Now all of this can be done using CLI commands. Go and check out the documentation, go and check previous videos of mine if you want to. With Angular running right here, what we can do is open a terminal down here, and then we can write ng serve right here like this. Now notice that will fail. And the reason it'll fail is because I don't have the packages yet that I need in my system. It asked me, do you want to give Google information? I'll just say no for now. Put in yes, it's up to you, but notice it'll fail right away because it's missing all these node modules. When you get that, the next thing you'll do is do an npm install. Now with the npm install, what will happen is it'll go and get all those dependencies I have in my system. Actually, it'll look through the package.json file and say, it seems you need all these things in order to run your current version of this project you're building right here. So it'll go and get all these packages, and that's what you're seeing right now. It's trying to get all these packages for my system right here. Now of course that'll be dependent on the version I'm on right now. Right now I'm using Angular version 12.2, but if you were using a different version of Angular, maybe you'll have a different version on your machine as well. But notice it's just installed all of those packages now, meaning there's a new folder here called node modules, and that's the one that we're going to use in order to run our system right here. So now the installation is complete, and I can write ng serve. Let's just put it down here. So now the installation is complete, and I can write ng serve like this, and now my application will actually run. If you're not getting the npm installed, you need to install Node.js. Go and check out nodejs.org and download and install that one, and then you'll get npm into your terminal. If you're using Windows, you might have to restart WebStorm and then go back to the terminal and try once more after you installed Node.js. That's just some of the issues I've seen so far in my system. But now it seems I'm up and running actually, and now it opens up for localhost 4200 right here. Let's just grab that port. Actually, I can just go and write it directly in here, localhost 4200, and there is our Legos for Life application. Happy days. So now we're up and running with the application, and next lesson we're going to start look at all these modules and components that we need and everything. So that's kind of what it took to get started with the project for Angular that's going to talk to our backend to get all our products and show them on a page. That's it for this lesson. See you next time. Bye.